The journey of a 5-ton giant begins with raw, natural rubber, harvested and moved by massive industrial predators. Raw rubber is virtually indestructible, but here it is pulverized by millions.
This 5-story tall beast, the Banbury mixer, combines raw rubber with carbon black to. Under extreme heat, the rubber transforms into a molten dough, ready for the final shaping. Phase 1 is complete. The foundation of the giant is forged. Next, we build the steel skeleton.
To withstand 400 tons of weight, rubber isn't enough. A skeleton of thousands of miles.
Every single wire is coated in a specialized bonding agent, ensuring it fuses perfectly with the black rubber.
Under immense pressure, steel and rubber become one, an indestructible layer called the body ply. The bead is the tire's strongest anchor. It is a solid ring of steel that will hold the tire to the massive truck's rim.
The skeleton is complete. Now, the giant tire begins its final assembly.
Welcome to the assembly hall. This giant rotating drum is the birthplace of the tire, where
The solid steel beads are now installed, serving as the tire's indestructible anchor to the wheel rim.
Finally, the tread is applied, the tire's armor. These massive slabs of rubber are engineered to endorse. The building is complete. The giant has taken its shape, but it is still soft. Now, the giant enters the Inferno. This is the curing press, where raw rubber is chemically forged into indestructible armor. Inside the mold, thousands of pounds of pressure per square inch carves the legendary tread patterns that will conquer the mines. 24 hours in the furnace has turned raw materials into a 5-ton masterpiece. The king of tire. The vulcanization process cross-links the rubber molecules, giving the giant tire its incredible heat and wear. Precision is everything. Every micro-inch of this 5-ton giant is scanned by AI-powered lasers. Phase 4 is complete. The fire has done its work. Now, we put the giant's strength to the ultimate test. The final trim. Automated blades remove any excess material, leaving a flawless architectural finish on the rubber.
from raw rubber to the king of the mines, a never-ending cycle of engineering perfection that builds our world.
These giants are loaded onto specialized transporters for their journey to the deepest mines on Earth. One giant tire, one massive mission. This is the unbelievable world of the